Welcome to this grounding meditation. Today we'll focus on building a strong foundation within ourselves, a place of calm and stability that can always be returned to. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and let it go all the way out through your mouth. Take 3 more deep breaths like that at your own pace. With each exhale, let yourself settle more and more. Feel the support beneath you, whether it's the floor, a chair, or the earth itself. Let yourself trust that you are held here. With your next inhale, imagine a deep, steady energy rising up to meet you, anchoring you in place. As you exhale, release any tension. Let it sink away from you into the earth. Notice the way your body feels connected to this steady support. Feel your weight resting fully without hesitation. With each breath, let your awareness move downward, your hips, your legs, and your feet. Feel the strength in these parts of your body, the stability they offer you every single day. Take a moment to reflect on what steadiness means to you. What makes you feel supported? What makes you feel strong? Simply allow whatever it is to come to your mind. Let this thought take gentle shape in your mind's eye. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice if it feels even just a little more steady and calm now. This sense of stability is always here when you need it, if you just remember to reach for it. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and slowly return to your surroundings. You are grounded. You are steady.